Welcome to the Essential Guide for the Salesforce Certified Data Cloud Consultant exam. If you're looking to validate your expertise in Salesforce Data Cloud, this video is for you. In this guide, we'll break down the exam structure, cover the key domains, and share effective preparation strategies to help you succeed. Let's start with a general overview of what the Salesforce Data Cloud Consultant exam entails. This certification is designed for experienced consultants who possess the knowledge and skills to implement the Salesforce Data Cloud solutions. The exam tests your ability to translate customer business requirements into successful data cloud implementation. The exam is a multiple-choice format, featuring 60 questions, and you will be allotted 105 minutes to answer them. To pass, you need to score at least 65%. Remember to register early on the Salesforce certification website. The exam is divided into 6 key domains, each with a specific weighting. Understanding these domains is crucial for prioritizing your study efforts. This domain covers the foundational knowledge of setting up and administering the data cloud environment, including security and user management. Data ingestion and modeling is the largest domain. It tests your ability to bring data into data cloud and structure it effectively using data streams and modeling. Segmentation and activation focuses on defining customer segments and leveraging data cloud to activate data for personalized marketing and customer engagement. This domain assesses your skill in leveraging identity resolution and calculated insights to derive meaningful analytics and build a unified customer profile. Data cloud security and compliance is a smaller but critical domain. You must be knowledgeable about data governance, privacy regulations, and security best practices within data cloud. The final domain covers deployment best practices, continuous monitoring, and the maintenance procedures required to keep the data cloud instance running smoothly. Now that you know the domains, let's talk about how to prepare effectively for the exam. Salesforce provides dedicated trail mixes for this certification. Pair these with official documentation for in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience. Practice exams are invaluable for gauging your readiness and identifying areas where you need more study. Work on time management so you can comfortably complete the exam. The Salesforce Certified Data Cloud Consultant exam is a challenging but highly rewarding certification. Our final piece of advice: approach the exam with confidence. You have the skills and knowledge to succeed. Once certified, leverage your new status to take on more complex data cloud projects and advance your career in the Salesforce ecosystem. Good luck!